I have only one message to give, and I repeat it age after age. My message to one and all is love God. One must love God with all sincerity to such an extent that one loses oneself completely in love. And how does one love God? One can love God as He ought to be loved by trying one's utmost to make others feel happy, even at the cost of one's own happiness.